Pocket Jig 200 by Milescraft. For strong joints in cabinets, shelves, bookcases, storage projects, and more, this kit does it all. Each kit comes with everything you need. Double-barreled quick adjust jig with hardened steel bushings, 3/8-inch high-speed steel step drill bit with stop collar, 2 T20 magnetic Torx drivers, the Milescraft connector for quick changes, and all the screws and plugs you need to start and finish your project. Built-in scales let you easily measure your board thickness, and the spring-loaded sled adjust button sets the proper jig position on boards from 1/2 to 1.5 inch thickness. The rotating fence lets you work on new pocket hole projects or repair already joined boards. The recessed clamp pocket allows for secure placement, and strong rare earth magnets make repositioning a breeze. When you're ready to drill, use the built-in depth stop guide to attach the stop collar. The split collar design with flat prevents slipping and rolling, and quickly change from drilling to driving using the quick connector. This entire kit comes in a rugged storage case to keep your jig, bit, drivers, depth stops, quick connector, screws, and plugs in place. It also has built-in compartments to store a Milescraft 2-inch face clamp and the Pocket Jig 100, which are sold separately. Whether working in imperial or metric units, quickly and easily make durable and reliable joints and move projects from the to-do list to the done list with the Milescraft Pocket Jig 200 kit. Milescraft. Always the better idea.
We asked her to build a bulletproof square. And she did. If your woodworking takes you out to the rugged world of construction sites, but you still demand the accuracy you've come to expect from woodpeckers, then you're going to love the new G10 1283. The 1283 has all the features that made the 1281 the most popular tool in our lineup. But it's made from G10, a composite material so durable it's used to make ballistic panels, gun stocks, and grips for tactical weapons. Knock it off your bench, drop it off a ladder, leave it outside in a snowdrift, or mount it to a target and shoot it. And it's still square. Tough is great, but accurate is better. The 1283 is machined to a tolerance of 0.02 of an inch over the length of the blade, and will hold that tolerance even after taking a bullet. The white engraving on the blade is clear and easy to read, in even the most extreme conditions, rain or shine. It's precisely engraved on both the inside and outside of the blade with 1/16 inch or 1 millimeter increments, making it ideal for machinery setup and project layout. The 1283 also features a lip that keeps the beam flat on your stock without you having to hold on to it. And the inside corner is notched, so your scribing lines will always go right to the edge of your stock. The heavy-duty build of this square is perfect for both outdoor use and home remodeling projects. The 1283 square is available in both inch and metric scales, and it includes a wall-mountable racket, so your square is always in plain sight and ready to go. If you need a square that can take on the rough and tough world of construction sites, then the 1283 is the square for you. Order yours today.
Every handheld power tool seems to have a different size or shape of dust port, and for a long time connecting dust collection to those tools involved a frustrating quest for the right adapter or lots of duct tape, or both. Those hassles are a thing of the past with Rockler's exclusive Dust-Right Flexiport Power Tool Hose Kits. The kits feature interchangeable connecting ports available in 4 different diameters, and the ports have flexible rubber ends that stretch over the tool's dust outlet to form a tight seal. The result is that you can connect the vast majority of handheld power tools in your shop with a single hose kit. Adding to the flexibility, the ports are available in 2 different types of kits, one with a hose that expands from 3 feet to 12 feet, and one with a 12-foot long fixed-length hose. The expandable hose kit, which stretches from 3 to 12 feet, is ideal for benchtop work because it naturally retracts to take up less space and reduce the risk of knocking things over. It works especially well with the dust-right cord and hose holder, which keeps the hose and cord from your power tool up off your work surface. The 12-foot fixed-length hose kit is great for applications where you need to be able to move around more and don't want the recoil of the expandable hose. Both kits include a swiveling port that keeps the hose from twisting and fits standard shop vacuums as well as other dust-right accessories, such as the dust separator and mountable dust couplers. And the hoses in both kits mount to the rotating ports by reverse threading, so there's no need for tools, hose clamps, or duct tape. The FlexiPort Power Tool hose kit with the expandable hose includes 2 flexible ports and 2 others available separately. The FlexiPort Power Tool hose kit with the fixed length hose includes all 4 available ports. Auxiliary component kits for both types of kits are available, allowing you to connect lengths of hoses with couplers to extend their reach. So if you want a quick, easy way of bringing dust collection to the handheld power tools in your shop, check out the Dust-Right FlexiPort Power Tool hose kits. Just go to your local Rockler store or rockler.com.